Hi guys, today I want to show you how to connect to a meetup and get your Training Peaks workouts. So from this screen, we're just going to skip going into the connecting of the devices. And we will go into the page that shows Ride. So in the top right corner, you'll see that I've created a meetup over here, but we're not going to click on that. We're going to just click on Ride. So come in, click Ride, and then that takes us off to Watopia. From Watopia, we're going to see a screen that says Join Meetup, and we are going to hit that screen and join the meetup, and then go back and get the Training Peaks workout. So it says, whoa, Julia's meetup has already started. It's time to ride. Are you ready to go? Not yet, because I want to go back and get the workout. So I'm going into here and I'm going to join the meetup. Join meetup. And then it's looking for the rest of the group. I've joined late. You can join late, but ideally you want to join early to make sure that everything's lined up. Now I'm going to go hit the menu button and go back and get the workout. Takes you back to this screen. You hit the 4 bars on the top right hand side, and there you'll see Training Peaks workouts. Today's Training Peaks custom workout we're doing is sitting steady and adding some climbs. So we click on that and up comes the workout. So we click on workout. Once you've clicked on workout, this screen will pop up. We hit back. And there we are, we're back in the meetup, and we've got the workout here on the left-hand side, which we will go through together in the meetup. That's it for now. Enjoy, and we will see you in Watopia.